Good morning, miracle worker. Before your day fully begins, let's press pause right here. This moment, it's sacred ground. Whether you're holding coffee, still in bed, or needing an extra dose of light today, these words are your bridge to a brighter reality. Louise Hay taught us, your thoughts shape your life. So let's plant seeds of power together. Repeat these with me. Let them sink deep, or simply breathe and receive. Ready to transform your energy in just 15 minutes. Let's glow. I am a magnet for miracles, and they flow to me effortlessly. My mind is clear, my heart is open, and my soul is aligned with infinite wisdom. I release all old stories and step into a new chapter of joy. Every cell in my body vibrates with health and vitality. I am deeply loved, and I radiate love wherever I go. Abundance is my birthright, and I accept it now. I forgive myself and others. Freedom is my truth. The universe conspires in my favor every single day. I trust my intuition. It guides me perfectly. I am a powerful creator, and my dreams manifest with ease. Gratitude fills my heart, and blessings multiply. I am enough, exactly as I am in this moment. My challenges are stepping stones to my greatness. I release fear and embrace the unknown with excitement. My energy is sacred, and I protect it with love. I attract relationships that honor and uplift me. Money flows to me in unexpected and joyful ways. I am the architect of my life. I build it with intention. My voice matters, and I express myself with confidence. I am free from the need to prove myself to anyone. Every breath I take fills me with peace and power. I am connected to the divine rhythm of life. My past has no hold over my radiant present. I choose thoughts that nourish and empower me. I am a beacon of light, inspiring others effortlessly. My body heals, restores, and thrives with love. I release all lack and welcome limitless prosperity. I am safe, supported, and guided at all times. Happiness is my default state of being. I transform obstacles into opportunities with grace. My presence is a gift to the world. I release comparison and celebrate my unique journey. I am constantly expanding into higher versions of myself. The more I love myself, the more life loves me back. I am a channel for divine creativity and inspiration. My boundaries are strong, and my compassion is deeper. I attract synchronicities that lead me to my destiny. I am worthy of all the good that comes to me. Every ending in my life makes space for a brighter beginning. I embrace change. It fuels my evolution. My heart is a sanctuary of peace and forgiveness. I release the need to control. I trust the unfolding. I am a vibrational match for my wildest dreams. My success is inevitable because I believe in myself. I radiate confidence without saying a word. I am a masterpiece in progress, perfectly imperfect. The universe fills my cup to overflowing. I walk through life with fearless faith. My gratitude accelerates my manifestations. I am a magnet for divine opportunities. I honor my needs without guilt or apology. My inner child is healed, joyful, and free. I am surrounded by people who reflect my highest self. I am never alone. The universe is my partner. My scars are proof of my strength, not my pain. I release timelines and trust divine timing. I am a living affirmation of love and abundance. My energy is contagious. I uplift everyone I meet. CEO of my emotions. I choose peace. I welcome surprises that delight and expand me. My life is a sacred adventure, and I savor every step. I am financially free, and money serves my purpose. I replace what if with why not and leap fearlessly. My dreams are seeds planted in fertile soil. They grow. I am a lighthouse, shining brightly in any storm. I release stagnation. My energy is in constant flow. I attract mentors and guides who light my path. My self-worth is unshakable and non-negotiable. I am an alchemist, turning pain into power. I celebrate others' success. It reflects my own potential. I am a magnet for effortless, joyful productivity. My home is a haven of love, peace, and abundance. I speak my truth with kindness and courage. I am a bridge between the visible and invisible worlds. My rest is sacred, and it fuels my greatness. I release the need for external validation. I validate myself. I am a living prayer, and the universe answers me. My aura is radiant, repelling all that doesn't serve me. I am a student of life, always growing and evolving. I attract solutions before problems even arise. My joy is rebellious. It defies all circumstances. I am a guardian of my energy, letting only love in. I am a cosmic storyteller, rewriting my narrative daily. My gratitude is a magnet for miracles. I am a vessel of divine love, and it flows through me. I release the need to hustle. I thrive with ease. My courage is louder than my doubts. I am a sanctuary of serenity in a chaotic world. I am a magnet for divine downloads and inspiration. My laughter is medicine for my soul and the world. am a frequency of success, and it resonates outward. I honor my shadows. They make my light brighter. I am a masterpiece of divine engineering. My purpose finds me, and I embrace it boldly. I am a magnet for grace, even in challenges. I am the love I seek. It starts within me. Say one of these affirmations out loud right now. Let it be your anchor today. Which number resonated most? Type it below. Remember, you're not repeating words. You're rewiring your reality. Keep shining, and I'll see you tomorrow for more transformation. Until then, know this: you are already everything you seek.